Good morning, class. Today we have a new student. Please welcome Sam.
Hello, my name is Sam. I am new here.
Hi, Sam. I'm Mia. Welcome to our class.
Sam, please sit next to Mia. She can help you.
Thank you. I am happy to sit here.
Don't worry, Sam. Our class is friendly.
Now, class, open your books to page 10. Who can read the first sentence?
I can try.
Great! Go ahead, Sam.
The sun is bright today.
Very good, Sam. That was correct.
Ha! Sam talks funny.
Leo, that's not nice. Everyone learns differently.
It's okay, Mia. I know my English is not perfect yet.
Your English is good, Sam. You are learning fast.
Leo, please apologize to Sam.
Sorry, Sam. I didn't mean to be unkind. It's okay, Leo. No problem.
Now, let's practice a new activity. Everyone, find a partner and ask 3 questions in English.
Sam, let's be partners. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is green. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is rice. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza. Where are you from, Sam?
I am from a small town. It is far from here.
That's nice. I hope you like it here.
I like it here. Everyone is kind, like you.
Excellent work, everyone. Sam, you did a wonderful job today.
Thank you, Miss Carter. I feel happy. Sam, do you want to play with us at lunch? Yes! I would like that very much.
Come on, Sam. Let's go together.
Thank you, Mia. Thank you, everyone.
Remember, class, it's okay to make mistakes. That is how we learn.
Yes! Mistakes help me learn new words every day.
And friends help too. We are happy you are here, Sam.
I am happy too. This is my new home now.